Have you ever wondered how Node.js handles thousands of requests, even though it runs on a single thread? Let's break down the magic of the event loop in just 60 seconds.
When a client sends a request, like an API call or file read, Node.js puts that request inside the event queue.
Now, the event loop continuously checks, hey, is there any pending task in the queue? If yes, it picks it up and processes it.
The real power of Node.js is its non-blocking I/O. If a task is heavy, like a database query or file operation, Node.js sends it to the thread pool, libuv, so other requests can continue smoothly without waiting.
When that heavy task finishes, its callback comes back into the event queue, and the event loop picks it up again to complete the cycle. That's the magic of Node.js. Single thread, but super fast, because the event loop never sleeps. If that made sense, hit like and tell me in the comments, which concept should Codesofttech.com explain next?